afia hyase de ye hwe wo ma se bi ye kunkum mo a entiase bia enima na se ngina so bia enima eye mobile money vendors fo ye kumo a tese wo dwene ho kura wo ntiase na nke be srese anka mo dwo mo sika na eja na mo spell mo life na ma sebe wo mo busua ni kakra anaso mo busua kakra se wo bagimi se musika san yi mi nkwa afi asase so no aya na eni enyan kakra ene ye ko Aflao wo no kra de wo hwe eye mfoni na wo pontem kra 6 o'clock na sesi ade 1 pontem a obi akodi wo wunti se wo nyina pompontem sis na wo toto na apunu na chese na damfo ne nam chese an Robert fo gyina mo achie wo mo ye hwe fa ho a enye yi a wo no na damfo ne party so ndo onya kwan edwane nenso ne owura no eye ne dia moba mo ne waya achie no etuo no wo mo kun no eje ne nkwa fene se sa agye ne nsam sika nyina efini nsam na damfo ne de wo so wo nya ho edwane sisi ono na yenya na sisi a wo boy amane e won tinten so mienti na damfo ne mra.
The cherished and listeners, around 6 p.m. yesterday, we closed from shop and we were closing the shop to go home. So we closed. We locked the first padlock and left with the down one to be locked. So whilst we were facing the container, locking the padlocks, we didn't know that anybody was behind us. Armed robbers were behind us, trying to attack us. So my brother was actually bending down to lock the down padlock. When I was sitting on the motorbike, waiting for him to finish locking the down padlock for us to do. All to know, they were already close to us, aiming at us to shoot. So I just turned my neck to call my brother down. Are you done? So we go. Before I realized, they were already close to us, and there was little we can do.
I'm sure you that mobile money no. Eduma wura fo na hwe wo munya be kroso no ye pesika kora ahwe asesi ye nya anka eboa ye nso na sesi na se nipa bonofo atu omani asenkrofo so eku omo keke o hwe bra ya wo wale ye nche kora aya je ne nkwan firi nsem ya ya yasa ekwe ntwa na mbeso na wie akra.